Bradford couple are refused service from a wedding videographer because they are a same-sex couple. CTV's Sean Leithong has been following this story tonight. And Sean, the couple say they were shocked and upset, but this evening, this wedding story took a happy turn.
It did, Zoraida, and they did expect that there may be some of the unexpected when they were wedding planning, but they did not expect what happened that disappointed them earlier this week, and they didn't expect what happened later this evening. Kelly Roberts and Mallory Arthur were engaged last January.
And we just dove headfirst into wedding planning.
The two 26-year-olds live in Woodstock and are planning for an October 2021 wedding.
We've been frantically trying to put deposits down a little bit quicker.
So when looking for a videographer, they thought they'd found the right fit.
I unfortunately really loved her work. I think she's incredibly talented, and I think she checked every box that we wanted.
They contacted Caramount Pictures out of Brantford and made it clear that they wanted to book for a same-sex wedding. Roberts heard back on Monday, the response saying, "We do not film homosexual weddings."
I read that line and I just kept repeating, this isn't real. There's no way she just wrote that to me. And my heart sank.
Roberts and Arthur were hurt and posted the message to Facebook in order to let others in the LGBTQ2 community know what had happened.
I don't know whose hands it got into to make it explode the way it did.
Thousands of shares and comments supporting the couple, including from photographer Nick Maxwell.
I looked up his name in my messenger to see if he's reached out to me yet, and sure enough, he did.
Roberts and Arthur were fans of his work, but the Mississauga wedding photographer decided to make an offer that cannot be beat.
I messaged her and I said, you know what? You already have so much to deal with. You have so much stress in choosing your videographer. I'll just do it for free.
I absolutely loved it, and he's been really great to get to know so far.
Trying to make the best of a difficult situation.
Maybe in some little way, this one act of kindness can make a little difference.
Now, we did try and reach out to Caramount Pictures. Their website and their Facebook page have since been taken down, but we did contact the original email address they had up. So far, we have not heard anything in response. Reporting live, I'm Sean Leithong. Right, I'll send it back to you.